Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a simple home remedy that can help you to get back your missed period immediately. Irregular period is a common problem which most women encounter. If you haven't seen your period for some time and you have confirmed that you are not pregnant, then this recipe is definitely for you. This is the best home remedy to get your period faster, and all ingredients are readily available in your household. Without delay, let's get into the video. What you'll be needing for this remedy: you get a clean pot. Get your clean pot and add 2 cups of water. I'll be using 2 cups of water. This is already 1.5 cups, so I would just add another half of it. You'll be needing fennel seed. Fennel seeds increase the menstrual flow and helps to induce an early period. I'll be needing 1 tablespoon of my fennel seed. Okay, this is 1 tablespoon. Also, let me set this aside a little. We'll be using ginger. Ginger increases the heat in your body and induces early period. It also helps provide relief from the cramps and painful experience during menstruation. So I will just need to cut a little piece of my ginger, cut it into smaller pieces. And I will add it into the pot that contains the fennel seeds. And I'll be putting it on my cooker and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll be letting it boil for 10 to 15 minutes, then I'll come back to it. Okay, this is how it looks after boiling for 15 minutes. You can see how it looks. Look at how the ginger and fennel look inside the water. So I'll be dropping it now and I will let it cool down a little. This is how it is after letting it cool up for some time. Now you need to get your cup and a strainer. I'll be using this to strain out the water. Okay guys, do not let it get completely cold because you will need to be taking it as it's also a bit warm. So this is what you are going to be taking. You take this at regular intervals during the day, and before you know it, you are going to see your monthly period immediately. And monthly period is also known as menstruation. Okay, this remedy is 100% natural and has no side effects. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and please leave a comment for me. See you guys in my next video, and bye.